Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this quick video. I'm about to call it an evening. It is 10:10 p.m. and I am tired. It's been a long day. I got a lot done. And I've been using my Motorola One Zoom like crazy today. Almost 48 hours in since bringing in this smartphone, and I am digging my experience with performance functionality. I've been just doing a lot with this smartphone. But this video is about battery life. The first day testing battery life, almost 48 hours in. What have I done on this device? A lot. Phone calls, texting, web browsing, listening to music, watching videos, editing pictures and video on my Power Director editing tool, just playing around with whatever I can on it. But yeah, man, just pushing this device all day long outside of everything else I had to do. So where are we at? 13%. So we're going to go into the settings here. Battery. 13% should last until 12:15 a.m. That is what it's saying there. It's telling me to turn on my battery saver, but I'm not going to do that. Last full charge 15 hours ago. Screen usage since full charge 7 hours and 57 minutes. As you can see, all the information that you need to know. That's my first battery life test on the Motorola One Zoom. That is my first official battery life test, almost 48 hours in, on this beautiful brushed bronze Motorola One Zoom. And that is it, everybody. Now I'm going to go drink a glass of water and head off to bed. And, well, to my next video. God bless. Peace. I am out. Please leave some feedback down below in the comment section. Looking forward to reading everything that you have to say. Also, if you're considering bringing in this device, let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, I'm out. Good night.